Welcome to Tolva PC. At Tolva, you can pick up a custom water cooling PC, which will be an AIO, hardline or soft tubing. We also build the traditional CPU fan cooling PCs or AIO cooling PCs, or why not go for a retro sleeper PC, which is a fun, powerful PC using all the latest hardware, but the term sleeper comes from the automated world, meaning I'm really fast, but you don't know what's under my hood. Worried about PC performance? We can clean your PCs too with our clean it services to make sure it lives many more years. It's very important to make sure that your PC is clean from dust. Most people will say that they'll clean their PC with a vacuum, which will damage your components in the case leaving it with a static discharge, which may cause blue screening or turn it on and off. Tolva deal with PC related stuff from hardware and software, we tune your PC to your needs. With our tune-it services and diagnostics, you'll be in capable expert hands to make sure your PC does not overheat and run stable so you can carry on without a hiccup. Finding it hard to know what components you need for your PC? With our Spec It service, because we're working with some of the biggest manufacturers in the country, we have a wealth of knowledge for your daily PC needs. And if you don't want to build your PC, we can build it for you, just by either video call chat or filling out the details down below to tell us what components you would like us to use in your build you want us to create for you. If you're searching for GPUs, CPUs, NVMe's, solid state drives, PSUs, motherboards, mics, headphones, memory, etc., you can pick those up from Tolva. If you order before 2 PM weekdays, we have a wealth of delivery services for you to choose from too.